Vocab words for solutions. A solution is a homogeneous mixture made from a solute dissolved into a solvent.
A solvent is a substance that dissolves a solute. For example, water dissolves sugar. This is a homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture is a mixture that the particles are so nicely mixed that you cannot see the separate particles. For example, sugar water. Yay.
A heterogeneous mixture is a mixture that you can see the separate particles, like this salt and olive oil, which is basically like a homemade lava lamp. Hold it. Ready? Watch, here it goes.
Oh, yeah, let it fall.
Bam.
Oh, you can see the separate particles.
As you add more salt, you can just see all the salt not mixing with the oil.
And the oil not mixing with water. A solute is what is being dissolved by the solvent. For instance, the sugar is the solute to the water.
The word soluble refers to the ability of a solute to dissolve in a solvent. Solubility is the maximum amount of substance that will dissolve at that temperature that it's at. Now, let's move on to different types of solutions.
An aqueous solution is a solution that is mixed with water as the solvent. Depending on how much water you put into it, it is called diluting it. The more water there is in the solution, the more diluted it is.
There are three kinds of saturated solutions. To start off, there is saturated solution. That is when solutions can't hold any more particles in the solution. Another one is an unsaturated solution, and as you can guess, it can hold more particles than it normally can, or more particles in the solution.
And lastly, a supersaturated solution. That's when the chemical has been heated up to hold more particles than it normally can.
If you add too much particles to a solution without heating it up, this will happen. So like no matter how much you mix it,
it's always going to settle back.
It's always just going to settle back to the bottom and won't stay out of solution.
I'm not going to mix that.
So the molarity of a solution is how concentrated it is, and that can be found by moles of a solute divided by the liters of the solution. Moving on to the next topic, which is miscible.
Miscible means the ability of a liquid to form a solution with another liquid. Immiscible means inability to form a solution with another liquid.
Mass percent is the measure of how much of one element is in a mixture. To find that, you must take the mass of the element divided by the molar mass of the compound, then multiply by 100%.
An electrolyte is in solution that has ions capable of conducting electricity. Example, salt water.
Salt water. Salt water.
Produces electricity somehow.
And now it doesn't produce electricity. It's conductive now. Now it can conduct electricity.
Say that louder.
Now it can conduct electricity now that it has salt ions in it. Yeah. Two metals in a solid solution is called an alloy. For example, steel is an example. This is black steel.
Black skill. Anyways, I hope this video helps you ace the final. Yay!
Yeah,
Yay!
boo.
Yay!
Ace your final.